Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to work with alert using Selenium WebDriver. So before proceeding, if you did not subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. If you have any query as well, so you can ask with the help of what the email ID that I am displaying on the screen, ask.prem@rediffmail.com. Okay, so without wasting time, let's proceed. So alert, there are three kinds of alert: simple alert, in confirmation alert and prompt alert. Okay, so let's see one by one each of them. Okay, let's open our website. So this is the website on which we are going to see alert example. Let's see what is a simple alert. So simple alert, if you click on this get time, so you can see it has only OK button. It has something to display. It is displaying currently what is time. Okay, and another type of alert is what? Confirmation alert. If you click on this button, it will be asking OK or cancel. So here you have choice. Either you can press OK or you can press cancel. Third type of alert is what? In which you are going to give some input. So let's click on this enter name. Whatever you may enter, like I am entering my name, okay, and press on OK. It is going to display my name. The third type of alert, you can see it has what text also, it has what input box also, it has what OK and cancel. So third type of alert will cover our all scenario. We'll do practical on these things. Fine. So without wasting time, let's start our Eclipse. I will start my Eclipse, and in this I am going to make a new class alert example, and we'll have the main method into this as well. We'll click on finish. Very first thing, we'll start our browser. So how the browser is started, that everybody knows. I need to set the path of my executable driver. That is done with the help of what system dot set property. Set property. Here I need to pass WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and in value I need to pass the path of my executable driver. It is stored in D drive colon in drivers folder. It is there, Chrome driver. Now how to start Chrome browser, I need to pass the reference of WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. I will import WebDriver and Chrome driver from Selenium package. Just move the cursor, you will get the option. Right? Then I will open our website. Here I need to pass my URL. You can see this is my URL. I will provide this link in the description. Okay, and next thing that you need to do, you need to click on this enter name. So how it can be possible, I will do inspection of this. Let's see what is properties of this. Okay, so it has some properties. I will right click here and I will go in what copy and copy XPath to take the XPath and come back to the Eclipse driver dot. I need to find that object first by dot XPath, and I need to pass the XPath here. And what you need to do, you need to click there. After clicking, you are going to find the alert. See here, this is the alert. So if the alert is present now, you need to switch to that alert. You need to focus to that alert. So which method is going to help you for that? In WebDriver, there is a driver dot switch to alert as a function. Okay, and you can see, if I enlarge the screen, you can see the return type of alert, small alert function is a alert, capital A alert. Okay, so it is going to return something, okay, of which type? Capital A alert type. You can see alert. Okay, so I can store into a object of which type? Alert. Suppose I say A, and I need to import this alert also from Selenium package. You can see I imported. Now if you are interested to print the text, which is what it is what asking here, please enter your name. So one function is there in the alert interface, that is a dot get text. Okay, you can see the return type of get text is string. You can easily print with the help of that. See, so okay, so it will print the text of that alert. Now next thing that you're interested to do, you are interested to type here something, and whatever you type here, and if you press on OK, suppose you type Google, if you press on OK, see hello Google, it is displaying there. So what you need to do for typing, very easy thing you need to do, a dot send keys, and here you need to pass the text that you're interested there. I'm interested to send keys as what, Google. Now for pressing on OK, in the alert interface there is a accept function. So a dot accept is for what purpose, pressing on OK. So this is for what, pressing OK, pressing OK. Fine, let's run it whether it's working fine or not. Okay, I should get text inside console and it should type Google and press on OK. So it's running, starting the browser. It will open the URL very quickly, it has done it. And I will close my browser. I will go inside console. You can see please enter your name. This was a text. Okay, it has printed inside console. Once again I will run to see whether it is saying hello Google or not. See, it is saying hello Google. That means our steps executed successfully. Okay, and here in my console it is saying please enter your name. It is displaying the text which is available inside my alert. You can see this text is displayed. Fine. Now next thing, suppose you're interested in what, pressing on cancel button. So I will comment this and I will say a dot dismiss, for what purpose, for pressing on cancel button, pressing on cancel button. So let's run it. This time if I press cancel button, suppose if I press cancel button, user cancel the prompt, it will display the message. Right, let's run this code. You can see at the bottom user cancelled the prompt is displaying here. Fine. So this much is for the video. Okay, we have seen how to switch to the alert, how to get the text from the alert, how to type inside alert, how to press OK on alert, and how to press cancel on alert. Fine, these are things which we have seen. So thanks a lot everyone for listening. Have a great day, and if you do not subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. Bye everyone.